In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up instant payouts on Stripe. Open your web browser and go to Stripe. Click the Sign In button at the top right and access your dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, select the Balance tab from the main menu. In the Balance section, look for the option to add a bank account. If you already have a bank account connected, check that it is eligible for instant transfers. If the instant payout option does not appear later in the process, the connected debit card or bank account may not support instant transfers. If you prefer a more direct path, click the Settings gear icon located at the bottom left of the screen. Under the Business section, select Linked External Accounts. In Linked External Accounts, add a debit card if you have not already done so. Stripe generally uses supported debit cards for instant payouts. Complete the verification process for the card before moving on. After your card has been verified, remain in the Settings area and locate Payout Schedule. Here, you can choose how payouts are handled. If you want to control each payout yourself, you can leave the schedule set to manual and use the Payout Now option whenever needed. If you would rather automate the process, select a payout frequency. Stripe allows you to choose daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. Pick the schedule that matches your preference. If you select daily payouts, Stripe will automatically send your available funds to your connected account each day. Weekly and monthly options are also available if you prefer a different schedule. After choosing your preferred payout frequency, save your changes. Make sure the settings are saved before leaving the page. Once your debit card is verified and your payout schedule is configured, your instant payout setup is complete. You can return to your payout settings at any time to review or adjust the schedule based on your needs. That's all it takes to set up instant payouts on Stripe. By confirming an eligible external account, verifying your debit card, and choosing a payout schedule, you can manage how and when your available funds are sent. From Stripe, thank you for watching.